everyone, welcome to part 2 of the car review. I am Zombie Faction XXX, and I am going to be joined by this fella.
This is my YouTube channel. I'm supposed to do the intro.
Sorry.
Anyway,
We're going to continue. We're going to continue our. No, we're going to continue our review on this legend here. This awesome car. Right, stop bouncing.
No, Gabe, you've got to get off.
Right.
Because you've got to do the camera.
Right. No, one sec. Sorry if the quality is a bit low on the video. We're brand new to this stuff, so don't judge.
And that is how crazy it can go while bouncing.
Stop it there. Stop it. Right. Let's get a close up with it. So there you go. Right, now we're going to be switching places. We're going to be going on to the concrete to test out this awesome car.
Yeah.
Right.
It's amazing on concrete, I do have to say.
Right. Bring it on.
Stop. No.
Now we're going to try it on soft, smooth concrete first.
Yeah.
Just to show you how it can flip in easily.
Right.
Then we'll try it on rough concrete and then the grass.
Here we go.
Off we go.
Let's go.
Hit it.
And it bounced off my slipper.
I guess we'll show you the concrete and soil then at the same time. Hit on the soil. Put it onto the tramper. Bring it back, I can't see it. There we go.
And then it just went over the bar. One sec, guys. Stuck.
Dum.
And now we're going to see what it looks like when you ram it into a wall, okay?
It flips.
It flips.
Right.
And now we're going to show you the feeling.
Ah.
Hopefully.
There you go. Flipping. Right. Now we're going to try something a little more fun. Oh, stop it. Stop. We're going to now try it. Right. I don't know whether you can see this well, but right. This is our car. That's a drop. Pretty deep. And it just dropped. Bring it back. Let's try that again. Right, 3. We'll go a long distance, bit more distance this time. 3, 2, 1, go.
It won't move. It doesn't move very well on grass. Forgot to mention that. It doesn't move very well on grass.
So soil like that, perfect. Grass like that, bad.
Oh, it's going to knock it over!
Stop the car. Now we're gonna try it on rough concrete, aren't we, Ben?
Yeah, with concrete. No, we've already tried it on the concrete.
No, we tried it on soft concrete. Ah! Right. Let's get up on this concrete. Go! 3, 2, go!
Oh, cracks there.
Sorry about the quality of this video again. Probably just newcomers to this stuff. So it's a bit rougher. If you have like a a wider bit of rough road, then better. But we've only got a single strip, so not much to play on here. Right, we're now going to see how fun it is down here.
Oh, I like this.
Right, 3,
Best one.
2, 1. And it's gonna flip. Ben, get it back to there. Oh, that's crazy amount of flipping there. It's stuck. Reverse it. Oh, great, it's stuck. I tell you. The amount of times this stuff gets stuck. Right, we're not going to try it around this.
Oh my goodness, Gabe. When's this gonna end?
Go, bring it back onto here.
I know something that we can try, Gabe.
What?
Do a flat top concrete down concrete.
Oh, yes.
That'll be fun.
Right. So, sorry we didn't show you it when we were cleaning. We're just so hyped to actually have this. We thought, why not? We'll make a video on it. Right, go. That was crazy. Right, shut it down. Right, so thanks for watching this review. Thanks for watching this review of this awesome car. And we'll see you all later, bros, won't we?
Bye.
See you.
Bye.
Bye.